screencast, we are going to learn about adding more information to our Jackrabbit categories. So to get started, in the left-hand vertical navigation inside your WordPress dashboard, we're going to navigate to Jackrabbit class, and we are going to click Category 1. If you're on your main Action Rabbit screen, you can also, under Category 1, click Review Category 1. So here you're going to, under Category 1, you're going to see all the Category 1s that have been pulled in from your active Jackrabbit class data. So to begin adding information to them, just click on whichever one you like. We're going to click Junior Guard Prep. So in this initial text field, it says change the public-facing name of the category. So let's say we didn't want it to say JR Guard Prep. Maybe you want it to actually say Junior Guard Prep. We could add that here, and then all your website users would see Junior, the word, instead of JR. We can add an image. So let's add this Junior Guard image here. And we could say Junior Guard Preparation, ages, I don't know, say 6 to 10, and maybe a little bit more information, which is up to your discretion. And you could add an abundance of information here in category long text. This would be, should somebody click more information next to Junior Guard Prep, they would see this information, which doesn't have to be so succinct like this information, which is just a little excerpt. And make sure we click Save. Once that's saved, we could also add more information to another category. Let's say we want to add information to swim team. We'll add an image. Let's add this image. And we can say 3 levels, ages 6 to 12. And maybe some dummy text in there. Okay? So let's save this. Now, if you are wondering how your categories have been set up, you can just scroll down here to the bottom of the page. It says, help, where do I find my category names? And this is an example of Jackrabbit class dashboard. You have your category 1, your category 2, category 3. This is what we're talking about here. Okay? So, that is the information that's going to be echoed out here, and this is the information we're adding a little bit more context to. Some images, a little bit extra information to kind of fill out the user experience for people that might be registering with your school for the first time. There are additional category sections in your left-hand vertical navigation beneath Jackrabbit class. So you can do this for category 1, category 2, category 3, and it's not imperative by any means. It just helps with the user experience, so people are able to, if they want to solicit a little bit more information, they're able to click a button and get more information. And I'm going to show you how this factors into the overall experience in just a moment, but that's how you add information to your categories.